If your Onity lock is not working, the switch, when you pull the handle, it doesn't open. Sometimes only open one side, sometimes only opens up, or sometimes only opens down. I figured out the problem here today. I'm working on fixing locks because I'm running out. So what you're gonna do, there's 6 screws right here on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to remove those screws, and you're gonna remove this part right here. This part out. Now I already removed the screw, so it's gonna be easier for me to show you guys how this works. This is not complicated, it's easy. Okay, once you get there, you're gonna find this one right here, okay? So you're gonna pull up this little cover. There's 2 more screws. Right here is gonna be 2 more screws, 1, 2. And you're gonna remove this plastic cover. Just put it on the side. And then you're gonna access this part right here. This is the one that moves the lock. Once you remove this one, you can see, check the back of this one. If you can see right here in the back, you're gonna see some wear and tear. This part right here, with time, it gets damaged. You can see right there. There's some wear. On the new ones, you're not going to see any wear right here. Okay, then inside this part right here is going to be this little part right here with this spring. She's gonna remove this spring right here. Make sure the spring you don't lose the spring. This part right here is also the problem. Okay, when this works like this. Okay, when you open the door, this one has to push this one right here because it's already wear on this side. Sometimes that's why it's not catching. You see? That's why it only opens sometimes down and sometimes only opens when you pull up. So when this is new, this part right here is not damaged. You can see, let me see if the camera can focus. If you can see right here on this side, this part already has wear. And this part right here, this corner, is not catching. Also has some wear. So when you pull the handle, it's not opening because it's not catching on anything. It's just passing through. On the other side, you can see it's pushing. So you need to replace this part and this part. Everything else is going to work okay. So in this case, I have so many other locks. Some of them the reader doesn't work. Some of them the motherboard don't work. Some of them, but the most of the parts that is when they break is this one. Another thing also, sometimes when you pull your handle, you see that your handle stays down. Okay, the reason for that one, then you're gonna remove this other part. There's another 2 more screws. You're gonna remove this part right here, this metal, and inside you're going to find that has 2 springs. There's 2 springs inside. That is what it makes the handle to return. Okay, this is the handle right here. Okay, this is going to be the handle. If your handle when you pull down, stays like this, doesn't return, it is because right here there's 2 springs. 1, 2. And sometimes some of them fell off or they just get out of track. To do that one, just open your lock and you can replace the springs. These springs right here. That's what makes your handle to stay like straight up. When you pull the handle, your handle just stays down. Then you can open this one and just make sure you put all the parts back. And that's the problem. That's how you fix That's how you fix why it is the switch not working. Alright, remember, it's going to be this one and this one you need to replace, and your lag is going to be working again. Because with time, this little part right here, you get some wear, and it's not catching anymore. The corner is all gone, and this part right here, you cannot push anymore. So there you go. Any more subscribers? So if you like my videos, today I'm going to be working on repair. If you need something specific, call me. I have opened these things like many times. I have many, and what I do is I recycle them. Whenever one don't work, I don't throw it away. I just save it. Sometimes maybe the switch is not working, but the reader is working, or the motherboard, or the as you can see right here. Today I'm working on fixing things. So some parts I scrape from sometimes the lag. Sometimes you can order new ones. You see, like right here I got some new motherboards. Some of the lags are not connecting to my tablet anymore, so I need to replace the motherboard. Sometimes the battery, this part right here, gets damaged too. It's not connecting to the machine. So these ones you can replace. These ones are really easy to replace. I have another video how to replace that one. And yep, today I have a bunch of, like, all these boxes right here are my old lags that for some reason they stopped working, and whenever I have nothing to do, I just repair them. So I have some ready for next time I need some. I have them ready. But I need more subscribers. Please like my video and subscribe. So that is the idea, my friends. Just remember to put everything back. Don't be afraid. If you break something, you're going to learn something too. So this right here and the little piece you need to replace. Just find an old one, an old lag that something else is not working. Make sure the part is good. Let me see. Like right here, I have another one. I use this one. That's what I just did. This one wasn't working. It wasn't opening. So I just replaced that one. And it's working good now. It's opening left and right. Okay, my friends. Thank you for watching.